Welcome to Sparks of History, where Jewish history and world history meet. Today, we are extremely pleased to have with us award-winning author Michael Brenner. Professor Brenner holds the chair of Jewish history and culture at Ludwig Maximillian University of Munich. Additionally, Professor Brenner is the Seymour and Lillian Abensohn Chair in Israeli Studies at the American University in Washington, D.C. Professor Brenner has authored 8 books on Jewish history, including In Search of Israel, The History of an Idea, A Short History of the Jews, and his works have been translated into 12 languages. Additionally, Professor Brenner is the editor and co-editor of 18 books. And today we will be discussing Professor Brenner's fascinating book, In Hitler's Munich, Jews, the Revolution, and the Rise of Nazism. And urge all our viewers and listeners, as I did, to simply go on to Amazon, click of a button, gets delivered, usually free, straight to your home. Again, thank you so much, Professor Brenner, for your time today. We appreciate it very much.
Thank you, Ari, for having me.
Okay. Just to start off, a little bit about your background and how you came about writing In Hitler's Munich.
Okay, I try not to make it too long. So as you mentioned before, I'm a professor of Jewish history in Munich. I have been there for 25 years. And I also grew up not far from Munich as the child of Holocaust survivors. So the Bavarian Jewish history, in a way, was in my blood. I was always interested in these issues. And I started working on the Jewish revolutionaries in Munich because I thought that's such, and we'll get into this, of course, more, it's such an interesting and weird story for my master's thesis many years ago, over 30 years ago. In the end, I ended up writing on something different, but I started collecting documents. So this book, I'd say the roots of this book really go back over 30 years, and in a certain way, even to my own youth.